Sentence is a group of words so arranged as to give us a complete sense is called a sentence. Sonu writes a letter. The road is under repair. What a beautiful scene. Now see group of words do not express complete sense, so they are not sentences. Examples: grass the oaf keeps, works hard he, cats mice like. Components of a sentence. Every sentence has two essential parts: subject and predicate. Subject of a sentence is the part which names the person or thing we are talking about. Predicate. A predicate proclaims or says something about the subject. Gita reads a book. The sun rises in the east. The girl is playing with her toys. He is shouting. Subject here words Gita, the sun, the girls, and he are the subject. Predicate. The rest portion of all sentences are predicate. Parts of speech. Each word in a sentence performs some grammatical function. According to their work they do in sentence, words are divided into 8 classes: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. Examples: persons: father, mother, brother, Ram. Place: Delhi, India, Bhiwani, Jind. Things: train, lamp, table, bread. Idea: democracy, friendship, desire. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used for a noun or used in place of noun. Examples: he, she, it, they, their, them. This is mine, but I will give it to you. Ram loves his stepmother, but she does not like him. Adjective. An adjective is a word which shows the qualities of noun or pronoun. For the example, Ram is a brave boy, Gita is an intelligent girl, gold is precious metal. Words like brave, intelligent, precious are adjective, and the word and are the adjectives. They are called articles. Verb. A verb is a word which says something about a person, place, or thing. A verb expresses action. Every sentence must contain a verb. For example, he is a painter. A shopkeeper sells goods. She writes a letter. Adverb. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of an adjective, a verb, or another adverb. For example, he runs fast qualifies the verb runs. Ram is very strong boy qualifies the adjective strong. The old man walked quite slowly qualifies the adverb slowly. Preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show some relationship. For examples, my father is very proud of me. There is a clock in the kitchen. There is a painting on the wall. The words of, in, and on are preposition. Conjunction. A conjunction is a word which joins words, phrase, or clauses. For example, Ram and Shyam are good friends. Works hard lest you should fail. Science is good servant but a bad master. The words and, least, but are conjunction. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feelings. For example, Hurrah, we have won the match. Alas, I am undone. Bravo, well done. I, a soldier and afraid of fighting. Thank you. May I also request you please subscribe, like and share more and more for sports, for early growth of my channel. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.